everybody, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. I've been MIA for a while. Been having a few family things going on, but you know, we're all staying strong and getting past it, and I feel like it's time for me to be back on here and give you guys some ASMR. In today's video, I'm just gonna do 3 different triggers. I'll be tapping, scratching, and making like sounds with it. So hope you guys enjoy and relax, and yeah, we'll get started. First item I'm gonna use is Argan Oil. Argan Oil of Morocco, which is like hair oil. Just gonna make some liquid sounds with it. I have my 3-year-old with me, so hopefully he stays pretty quiet. I also have the fan on in the background. It's a little hot in my room, so hopefully it doesn't bother you guys. I also need to get my nails done again. Haven't got them done in a while. Someone's trying to whisper stuff to me. This is going to be a pretty short video. Next is going to be a water bottle. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. Hope that didn't scare you. Okay, last item. this cute bear that my husband got me for Valentine's Day. The bottom of the bear shaped like a heart.